it's Diana Willett. How are you? Merry Christmas to everybody. Today I'm making a delicious ham for Christmas. And I got the ham from this company called the Swiss Colony. I used to buy a lot of their products years and years ago. So I tried it again this year. Now, the ham that I bought, it's very, very good ham. And it's in this book here. It's featured in the book. See if I can find it here. There's so many things in this book. All delicious things in here. There it is. It's called, they said it's the best ham ever. Spiral sliced ham with brown sugar honey glaze. So I'm not going to make a glaze. So let's put this in the oven first. Now, it comes like this. It was packaged. It said Swiss Colony ham, and I'm taking it out. I put it over here because it has all juices in here. Set the oven to 325, and we're going to bake it. It's a fully cooked ham. You just got to heat it up. You don't have to really cook anything anymore. So, get the juices here. Throw them in there. It's already glazed, so I don't have to make another one. More glazes. Now, the only thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little bit of cloves on here. Ground cloves. So it's 6.5 pound ham, 325, 15 minutes a pound or so. So we're going to bake it for about an hour and a half. All right. One more thing I want to do is I got a can of pineapple here. So I like pineapple when I eat my ham. And I'm just going to put it all over the bottom of this pan so it'll cook good. Not making any more glaze, as they say it's on there. I don't want it too greasy or anything. Alright, here we go. Pour that right there. Here we go. Okay, good. Alright, let's just put it in there just the way it is. Ooh, it's heavy, but anyway. Okay. Cook time. Excuse me. Let's see, 90 minutes. Alright, set this good. 90 minutes. Oh, 60. Let's go. Half here. Okay. Now I want to talk to you about the Swiss Colony. When you do an order, they also give you, your first order, this free box of chocolates. And this is what I got. It's for free. Merry Christmas, it says. You open it up. And you can always give this as a gift too. Delicious chocolates, truffles, and everything. That's for free. And another thing I liked very much was they have dips. You put these on crackers. These are the ones I got. Smoked salmon cheese spread, shrimp scampi cheese spread, shrimp cocktail, lobster delight. It's all different types. And one more that I bought here was creme de la crab cheese spread. So you put these on crackers for hors d'oeuvres around the holidays. So later on I'll come back and I'll show you how the ham is all cooked. But I'm making green beans and sweet potatoes too. So that's it for now. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.